Hey Debaters, what's going on? I won't be shooting a video until tomorrow due to the weather, and I had to shovel driveways and had to help my dad with shit mentally, so there won't be any video games coming up until hopefully Thursday, maybe Friday, depending on how things go, and I'll keep you posted. I tell you what, this weather down here in Pennsylvania are pretty shitty. I hate this fucking snow. So, drop a comment. Oh shit, I'm tired as fuck. And you can let me know what you think and what you want to see in between an American truck or your truck, and we'll go from there. Peace out.